Hello, children. Welcome to my new episode of 9th Standard 2.1 Comparisons Swarming Up Chit Chat. Let's go through the questions given over here. What is your favorite color? What does it remind you of? Are you afraid of the dark? What does it make you think of? If you were asked to design a big garden, what will you include in it? Children, aren't the questions easy and interesting? Yes, they are easy and interesting. You all can answer it. Let's see one by one. What is your favorite color and what does it remind you of? Some of you will say that my favorite color is red and it reminds me red flower, red balloon. Some of you will say that I like my favorite color is yellow and it reminds me lemons. Some of you will say that my favorite color is green or blue and it reminds me crystal clear blue water. So everybody's answer can be different. Just you have to add in it that what does it remind you of? Is that clear? Okay. Now next question. Are you afraid of the dark? What does it make you think of? Some of you will say, yes, I am afraid of dark. It reminds me ghost. Then it reminds me frightening figures, images. And some of you will say, no, I don't afraid of dark. I'm very positive. It reminds me that I have to go ahead. I have to search the light. So everybody's answer depends on his own view. Now, the next question is, if you were asked to design a big garden, what will you include in it? Some of you will say that I will include greenery, big trees, then different rides like swings, slides. Then some of you will say that children playing in the garden. Some of you will include that different lakes and different sites in the garden, beautiful sights. So everybody's answer is going to be different. Okay. Now here is the second activity, expanding word webs. First of all, you have to list the names of as many vehicles as you can. For example, which vehicles you can write? You can write motorbikes, taxi, car, then jeep, lorries, then bullock cart, ships, and so many things you can write. Okay. Now, the special thing you have to do is you have to draw a word web for each of them to show their appearance. Do you know what is the meaning of appearance? Kase distate, how they look, that is called as appearance. Then qualities and things that these features remind you of. Now here is a web given over here and there are different factors we have to write about. uh, Name of the vehicle. Suppose I have taken motorbike, then you have to mention the speed of the motorbike, then whether it is old or new or used, then what is the price of it, how does it sound when it gets started, then what is the shape of it, then what is the color of it, then origin or brand. Do you know what is origin or brand? Honda, Kinetic are the brands, isn't it? So you have to write the origin or brand also. Then size and use. Easy to use, or it is what you say, challenging to drive, ride it. Whatever it is, you have to mention it in it. Is that clear? Do you know, children, that what is the meaning of drive and ride? What is the difference between them? If not, go through the dictionary and find out what is the meaning of drive and what is the meaning of ride and what is the difference between them. Is that clear? Okay. While writing the word web, you can take help of the words given on the right side. The words are terrific, brand new, sleek, tiny, huge, powerful, affordable, expensive, easy to drive, eco-friendly, luxurious, fuel efficient, automatic, left-hand drive, fastest, imported, and you can also add of your own. It is not necessary that you have to use just these words. Apart from these words, you have to add on your own also. Okay.